The fuck am I gonna make today? Enchiladas rojas con pollo. Whew, that's good. Oh, yes. Add a little bit more water because I need to be able to coat the chicken. Yes, the chicken is frozen. I forgot to pull it out this morning. Make sure your thing is popped, otherwise it won't pressure cook, it'll just vent the whole time. And while that's cooking, I have to run to the store because I don't have cheese. And yes, I made it to and from the store with time to spare. Got some black peppercorn to refill my meal. I got some caldo de pollo, chicken bouillon, a couple of hunks of queso fresco, some more guajillo chilies because I just ran out making this. Dough for something different, and just in case I wanted it, some pepper jack cheese to sprinkle on top. Yummy that looks. I hope it cooked well. And then it's cooled off a little bit. And do a little taste test. And the chicken, oh yeah, it's gonna pull apart, so that's good. Taste test. Ooh, that's good. Might put a little bit more cumin in there just to round it out a bit. That's tasty. That worked perfectly. Just a little bit. And yes, I used bone-in thighs because I didn't have breasts in the house, so I used what I had. No, I don't have one of those mixer things that makes it super easy to shred chicken because I don't bake. So that doesn't exist in my house. Old-fashionedly, just a couple of forks, shred that chicken, and the only reason I'm not using my hands is because this is still very hot. That looks pretty good to me. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right. Gonna add a little bit more sauce right into here from that base. So our chicken is nice and coated. Now, because I hate rolling these, we're making it into a casserole. So much easier to do. I want a bigger dish. That'll do. Because I hate rolling these, they always break apart on me. I'm going to say fuck it, and I'm making a casserole. Grease your pan. Layer. Tortillas. Bit of sauce. Spread that around. Okay, more sauce will go on. And there's sauce on the chicken. Doesn't have to be perfect. Chicken. Layer some on. Cheese. Oh, it's supposed to be easy open. Queso fresco. Crumbling cheese. Add some in. About half a block. Because I'm crazy and I love cheese. Another layer. More sauce. Put it around. Chicken. Going a little thinner on this layer because I'm almost out. That was bone. More cheese. Another layer of tortillas. Douse all the sauce. These easy opens are not easy open. There we go. Ah! About another half. Right on top, because we want this cheesy, delicious, golden goodness. Oop. 3/4 on this top one. I want it to be nice and coated. You don't eat meat? Use queso fresco throughout the whole thing. Instead of your meat, you can throw in jalapenos or California chilies or whatever kind of chili pepper you want to make it nice and thick. That is fully up to you and customizable to whatever your preference is. That oven to 400 degrees. All right, my stove is preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna pop this in for like 15 to 20 minutes, just until the cheese gets gooey and runny and delicious, and the sauce is bubbly. Hot. So good. Oh, I love this shit. And without the hassle of rolling every single one. Mm. So cheesy and delicious.